Today's video is about our recent stay at the Animal Kingdom Lodge club level in the John Boat House. We stayed here in May of 2023 in a double queen room. We just arrived to our room and let's walk inside. Let's go straight to this little closet. We've got two robes, some slippers, extra pillow and blanket, and then up here is the safe, and looks like an iron, steam iron, and I don't see the ironing board, but maybe it's somewhere else. And if we go on over here, here's the coffee section with a little sunset mural type thing in the background. So cute. Keurig machine, ice bucket, glasses. And then if we look in here, we've got some Joffrey's blend. No more of the anniversary one, so we'll try this one out this time. Let's see what it is. It just says Walt Disney World Resort Blend. And some paper cups. And then I'm assuming this is the fridge. Yep, there's the fridge. And then as we walk over here, we have two beds. And let's see. Oh, let's look at this. Oh, look at that. We have some plug-ins over here. And the little like nightstand type thing over there. And then over here we have some more plug-ins, the remote, lights. So that's good, it's right by the bed that you can control the lighting. And then if we go over here, we have a little table and chairs. And then we have the Savannah view. Let's come back to that. Let's go look at the bathroom first. So if we come over here and we go inside, got separated area for the toilet and shower area, and it looks like it's separated by pocket doors, if I can get it to work. Well, it looks like I can't get the little thing out, but oh, here we go. There we go. Okay, so you just push this button. Just push that button and the lever comes out. So separated by pocket door. And then if we go inside, we have the shower. There's two heads to the shower, and then it's still the H2O products on the wall here. And then just the toilet and some extra towels and things. And then if we look over here, we have the vanity with a hair dryer under there and some extra storage for your vanity cases and that sort of thing. And then over here we have some of the amenities, some mouthwash, lotion, vanity kits, shower cap, that sort of thing. There's a pretty large mirror there, and then you have a makeup mirror over there, so that's nice. And then look at that, Hakuna Matata. And so then if we go over back in here, let's go, and then the TV's off to the left there with a whole cabinet for storage. And then also you can put your like a suitcase there on the luggage rack as well. Looks like some regular plugins behind there. So several plugins here. There's also plugins here on the sort of like chest of drawers, and on the other side as well, and a book to read while you're here. And then the TV's just above that. But plenty of storage in here, 6 really large drawers. There's plenty of space underneath the beds, as you can see, for your suitcases when you're not using them, so that's nice. And then let's go outside to the balcony so we can see the animals. There's also a full-size mirror right here on the outside of the bathroom, and the bathroom completely pulls closed like that. So there's the bathroom fully closed. So you can separate it either by that pocket door inside and just have the sink, or you can close the entire bathroom off. So that's nice if you have several people getting ready at the same time. Just want to take a minute to appreciate the little Simba on the nightstand in between the two beds. Is that not adorable? So cute. And then there's some storage underneath as well, so you can put some items under there, or there's drawer storage like I showed you before. Okay, let's go back outside on the balcony and have a closer look at it. There are 2 chairs out here. And here, let me zoom back so you can have an idea of how large the balcony is. And then let's get a closer look at this chair. It's a grown-up Simba on there. So cute. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the offerings from the club level or the Kilimanjaro Club. These are some offerings from breakfast, just some things that we picked up on the buffet. This is the lounge itself. When you arrive, they give you this welcome letter and the little chocolate. The phone number's on there to reach them, and right down here gives you the hours of service if you want to pause it so you can take a look at what the offerings and the times for those offerings. You can do that. The only disadvantage I did see with the Kilimanjaro Club was that our room was not anywhere near the lounge, so it was not even on the same floor or the same side of the lounge. These are some more things that were offered at breakfast. These are some gluten-free options they gave my daughter since she's gluten-free during dessert time. And here's a few of the other desserts that were available while we were there. You can also get ice cream sandwiches or the Mickey Mouse bars, so that was a really nice touch. These are some pictures that I took from our balcony. And then here's just a few more pictures of the room itself. We did enjoy our time here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge in the Kilimanjaro Club level. I would stay here again. My son loved it. He does love animals. If you've stayed there, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day wherever you are.